Many people have been asking me how expensive it is to buy food in Jamaica and how much it would cost for a family of 4 to be able to survive. And to help answer that question, this is what I've decided to do.
Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan, pick up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fam, and I'm feeling sun-kissed today. Now, I have decided to put this together so that I can show you exactly what things cost in a supermarket. Many people say how high food prices are here in Jamaica, and so I'm giving you a first-hand experience of what things cost. So I've gone into the supermarket and I've taken a video just to share with you of all the different prices for different things that are generally what people would get. So I haven't gotten eggs on there in terms of the pricing for that, but typically you could get a half a dozen eggs for about 300 Jamaican dollars or a dozen for 600 Jamaican dollars. And it depends on where you go and which supermarket you're buying it from, but typically that's around about the price, just to help to give you an idea. I've given you long life milk instead of the other milk carton. However, hopefully it will give you an idea, especially if you use a lot of milk. So this will give you the opportunity to see how much it would cost you for different things that you're shopping for here in Jamaica. It will also help you to compare between what you spend now for your shopping and see what it would cost you here. I haven't gone into the market to do a similar thing because we already have a video on here with some of the market stuff, and other things that you would get in the market would be some of the fruits and vegetables, and we've included some of them in the video that we've given. So hopefully this is something that gives you a good comparison and a better idea as to how much it would cost you to shop for your family if you were supposed to move to Jamaica and need to make provisions for them. We're going to be doing this video. These are the milk products. We're just going to look at staple products that you can get and the prices. So those are the prices. Be mindful that the prices we give you are not including GCT as yet. So that's where you are. Now, for reference, the Canadian dollars is usually 1 to, whilst I'm explaining that, I'm going to show you the soaps. So the prices for you. I'll give you prices where they're priced. And so, that's what nappies are like for people who need those, and toiletries for ladies, that's what they're like. So that gives you an idea. I'm going to just go and show you some tissue and some paper towel as well, and then some laundry. Washing up liquid, that's typically what they are. And tissue, this one is paper towel, and the tissue isn't priced there, so I will find one that's priced. This one, single, that's the pricing, and this one I think is a multi-pack roll, that's the price. Okay, so it's the super pack, that one. Now I'm going to show you the hand towel. I've just shown you one here. Here are some others. That's what the prices are like. And I'm going to show you some detergent. These are some prices for you to compare. And some cleaning ones. Those are fabric softeners for you, and then the general cleaning ones up at the top here, and that's the prices for them. So those are just some ideas, and we'll keep going and show you some more staple products and for you to see the costs. So that's the ketchup, that's the bottle. It's that one, that's the bottle. Tuna, of course there are lots of different variety and options, so this is one. Sweet corn, Mixed vegetable. That's the typical price. Toothpaste. So I'm just showing you that one, and that's the price. Okay. Those with sensitive teeth, there are some. And shower gel, and those toiletries. Prices for you. And some Pringles. That's the price. What did you want?
Can I have this?
Sure. How much are they though, so I can say?
The cupcakes are $130.
Is that for the single one? Okay, $130 for those ones.
$235.
Show me the 2-pack.
I can find a chocolate one to show you, but this is like red.
235. Okay, so that's that.
Should I show them the 6-pack?
Yeah, we can. Is the price on there?
Yes, $625. So
Okay.
maybe you could bring it to like work mates or for like a small birthday get together.
Or a snack for the children.
And they have like these for those who don't want the main cake and they like other flavors.
And I guess you can do
it's
cake
like
to
a
order.
Cake bento box.
Oh, a cake
Bento
box.
See?
Let me see the price.
It says bake me awake bento box. It's $685.
Mayonnaise option for mayonnaise.
Should I say the prices?
I'm just showing the prices.
And they have plant-based mayonnaise for those of you that are vegan. So they have lots of options for different dieting.
But those are what the prices look like for you. And peanut butter. In terms of spread, they have quite a few jams and different chunky or smooth peanut butter. And brands that you are probably familiar with. And the Nutella, this is the bottle they have, which is the small. This is the small for us in the UK, isn't it?
They have pepper jelly.
And that's what the price of it is.
They have pepper jelly.
And other jams, so regular jams. So guava jam up here. And what did you say? Pepper jelly.
From Pantry.
We're just going to go down and show you
They have
this
pepper jelly.
pepper jelly option
Never knew that it's
and the price.
probably
as well.
something like it with chicken
I have no
when
idea.
they're seasoned, or they just like spicy sandwiches.
So that's some of the basic things. We'll show you some pasta now. Here are a variety of pasta if you are a pasta person or you're moving with children who like pasta. And those are some of the prices for a pack. So I'll show you the size. So that's a 400 gram pack. This is what it looks like. And that's the price for it there. Okay, and some more prices down there for you. Similar size. And for the spaghetti, there is a pack. And that's what the price for them are. Okay, they're called macaroni.
They have mac and cheese.
And so I'm going to show you the mac and cheese option.
They have unicorn shape.
We
They have
tend
white
to buy
cheddar.
that
They
4-pack
have- It's mainly Kraft mac and cheese they have. They have microwave.
because
they
it's
have
more economical.
3 cheese. They have 4-pack. They have swirls. They have white cheddar. They have unicorn cheese.
And you can
Original
probably hear
is the
Eleona
best.
telling you that they have quite a lot of variety of them. And there is a price for one
They
pack.
have different brands though, and they're cheaper.
You can have
some
more
of them,
economical brands if you choose
But I
to.
prefer Kraft. It just tastes better.
Those are the prices for the noodles. So you can get Mr. Noodle.
You can get Marchan, which is 150.
1 second, let's do. So you say
Marchan is $101.50, and
Mr. Noodle.
Mr. Noodles is $65.
And this is top ramen.
Ramen is $95. And in my opinion, Mr. Noodles tastes best out of all of them.
This
so I
this ramen though
say
is
that you should
101.
probably get it.
Which one you like?
This one.
You prefer Mr. Noodles.
And it's also the cheaper.
It's the most economical, so that's fine. And this is Mr. Noodle soup again that you can get if you are into the cup soups. This is a whole chicken, and from this brand that's the price, and you can see the weight on there. And this is another one, whole chicken, way less, that's the price. And they do chicken quarters now, and so that's the price of a bag of chicken quarters. So this one is drumstick, and you can get This is just a drumstick, so this is the parts, and that's the price. And this one is the leg quarter, and that's the price. Okay, you can get mixed vegetable. They have the big bag. I'll show you those. So you can get the big bag of fries or the big bag of mixed vegetable. Unfortunately, they are not priced, so I will just show you smaller packages and what you get. So this is what you get in this container of fries. They have the ones in bags as well, and that's what you get for the mixed vegetables if you choose to buy it. And I'm going to just show you some of the kiddies stuff from the meat section. These are the frankfurters. We tend to go with the jumbo pack, so you can get this jumbo pack. Those are the prices. And there's another set of jumbo pack over here. Those are the prices. And I'm going to show you some nuggets and strips. So these are some Eggos. Those are the prices that you're looking at. And now for the nuggets, strips, wings, and so on. Chicken tenders, that's the price. Chicken wings, you're looking at, and chicken nuggets. Remember the conversion rate when you're thinking about how much they cost. These are where it sets you back a little bit. So that's the cost for that much grape. That's all that's in there. Now we get a whole big tub for £2 in the UK. So when I saw that, I was just blown away by it. And for the apple, again, you get a big bag for like £2 or so. And this is what you get for £2. 3. And I'll show you the price of some sweet peppers. That's the price. And tomatoes. That's the price, and that's what you get. And this is a head of cabbage. This is what it costs at this point in the year. And this is lettuce. That's the size of it. And this is what it costs. Okay, so you have an idea. And I will show you string bean. That's what you're looking at. Cucumber. There's one in that one. That's what you're looking at. This is carrot. That's what you're looking at. And they've got broccoli and cauliflower and things like that too, to just give you a little glimpse of what those look like. And then I'm going to show you the milk in the fridge and the juice. So these are the cheese that we get, and Eliona is going to pick it up. These are the other brands, and I'll show you what the price is like for those.
This is the normal Jamaican.
This is the?
This is the Jamaican.
Yeah.
This is the...
And those are the ones she eats, and those are the prices. These are the juice options. And orange juice, so we normally get this one. Or sometimes we get this mixed with something else, if that's the option. But you get an idea. And here you go, prices again for those ones, and the smaller versions in the box. Hopefully you can see the prices clearly. So Eliona is going to get her juice. So this week she's getting a box one, because she's getting another drink to make up for her big bottle that she normally gets. We're going to show you rice, flour, and oil and stuff like those now. Here's an example of the cooking oil here. So that's 3,990, and those are the Grace brands. And I'm just going to show you some smaller bottles and the prices for them. And here's the price for this one and that one. There is a variety of cereal that you've got. That's the price you're looking at. And so prices again, and that's what they are. And some Nesquik. That's the small one, and the large one isn't priced. It's on the other shelf, so there's the price. Cornflakes. And then bran flakes. And that's what you get. And if you are the granola type, that's the prices you're looking at. And these two are some of the granola prices as well. And those are just some other cornflakes that you can see. Popcorn. I'll see if I can see the price. It's 205. Okay. This is sugar, 500 grams. That's the bag, and that's the price for it. And rice, just to give you an idea, this is a bag here, and they weigh them out, and so they're not consistent in their weight. So I'm just showing you one here. That's the price. This is some flour. That's the price. Cornmeal. That's the price. And then the other rice. Oh, I'm just showing somebody, some people, the cost of different things in Jamaica.
Yes.
And thank you for asking. That was very polite of you.
Yeah, which is ridiculous. Which is ridiculously. If you can't buy food, then you can't survive.
Yep. So they need to know, isn't it, how much it costs. Of course, there are these ones as well that you can invest in, and healthy flour and whole wheat flour and stuff like that too. So now we're going to show you some bread and some kids snacks. And the Foster oats, that's what it looks like, the price. And you see what the weight is, 800 grams. So that's the size of the box, and it's what you would get. There is a wide variety of snacks to choose from. And some of them are in larger packs. So all of those are snacks and more snacks. And some of them can set you back a bit, all snacks. And this one that Eleona liked to buy, that's how much it cost.
It's not that one, it's this one.
Is it this one? But aren't they the same?
The small pack is
it's this one she likes.
The small one is
They're the same price, isn't it?
Yeah, the small one is $54, and the king size, which is the best size because they put more seasoning on, is $280.
And there is the other one,
Split it into different portion, and somebody wants to be selfie,
which is the jumbo pack she buys, and that's the price for it.
to this in one today.
She's discovered this one as well. Is it priced?
I was introduced to someone to the bay, and you did not see me put it in the
It's not
trolley.
priced on here.
And you did not see me put it in the trolley.
I did see you.
No, you did not.
The trolley.
Well, I did not try. I succeeded, and you did not see anything.
We're going to look at the breads now. This tell me I sneak stuff. They sneak stuff in the trolley.
You said that I tried, but I didn't try. I succeeded, and you did not see anything.
Yep, we're out shopping. And bread, wholesome. That's the price for the hard dough sliced ones. And then the brown ones, those are the price for it, which is usually the one we buy. Of course, there are other options, and they have fun all year round. So Eleona is going to get herself hers. Police officers are out, increasing the level. The police officers are out, increasing the level of security in the town, in the heart of uptown Mandeville. There's the market, one of the taxi stand, and now they've head off to go and do something else. They've been there for a little while, and now they're off again.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
That was phenomenal. Hey! Of course, I've got it on tape. It sounded good. It's okay. It sounded fantastic. It did sound good. And I would be honest with you if it didn't. Isn't it?
Okay.
So, have you figured out what's wrong with it?
Internet's not working.
Okay. Well, try again and see.
Can you unplug the TV from your...
Okay.
The Jam Fam family. Where Irie living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me. The Jam Fam family. Where Irie living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Thank you for staying with us here on this another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. Bye for now, and we will see you in the next one.